So here's my best tip for getting the right amount of stitches in a certain area. So for this pattern I required 60 single crochets along the top edge. Without this, it'll be much, guess and check. What I like to do, which is not my original idea, I don't remember where I got this tip from, but I would divide this space evenly. Like, let's say 60, I will do 6 spaces, divide this into 6 spaces. So this is 2 and 4, and then, so I'm gonna roughly estimate it as like, this is 1 space, this is 2 space, three, and of course 4, 5, and then 6. So I learned this trick when I was making crochet hats about 2 years ago. And what you do is, for each section, you would make sure that you put 10 single crochet in each. Or for each section, you'll make sure you put that amount of stitches that the pattern requires. So that way, you're not having to pull out all the stitch. You just have to make sure that in that required space you have 10, so you could keep reworking that. That's a small amount to rework, rather than having to rework a whole entire row. This kind of gives you a better idea of how your stitches are working up, and if you'll be able to have enough sooner than later. Okay, so that is my tip for this week. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed to all my social medias, my Instagram, my Facebook group, and make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It helps me so much. And give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.